Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a screw conveying server software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe the channel, subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. And if you think that this video is benefited by you, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Now I'm going to the start. New part is created, part is selected, then okay. After that, I'm unit settings millimeters. Now front plane is taken, extruded boss is selected. I'm taking a circle. First one sketch, second one. The outer diameter of the circle is 50 millimeters, and the inner circle I'm taking the 47 millimeters. So the thickness is 3 millimeters. Now exit it. Now I'm taking, it will be extruded 65 millimeters. Then okay. Now see. Then I'm selecting this portion, uh, then going here, plan is selected, here plan is showing there. I'm taking this one is the 0, I mean the from this face. Now okay, I'm going to sketch, uh, going to sketch, done. Then selecting the outer diameter of this circle and convert entity is selected, then exit it. After that I'm going to the curves, helix and spiral is selected. Now see, here 90 pieces, I'm taking the 100 more, and the regulation I'm taking the 6. Okay, then okay, see, I think when I'm taking this one is the 90 and I'm taking this one is the 70 regulation, then it's okay, perfect. It will be 100 degree, 180 degree starting angle, and it will be the clockwise. Then okay, see, I'm hide, selecting this one, hide the plan. Now I'm selecting the point, then going to the reference geometry and plan is selected. Then I'm click on this helix. Then see, it will be the coincident of this helix. Then okay. Then I'm going here, sketch it, and I'm going to take a corner rectangle, sketching from this point. Smart dimension. I'm taking the length is 40 millimeters, and taking this thickness will be 1.5 millimeters. Okay, done. It's very small. Then I'm going to the features, swift box is selected, and click on this rectangle, then click on this helix. Then see, then I'm selecting this one and height, selecting and height. That's it. So also you can say the conveyor spin conveyor, also the auger. Now I'm taking the selecting the materials, edit the materials. I can choose. I'm going here, and I can take the metal, steel, bronze, Partners, the aluminum is taken, aluminum and polished aluminum is taken. Now I'm going click here and selecting the colors, yellow colors. Okay, yellow colors, letters. Now I'm taking these colors. Okay, done. Then I'm going here and select without touch. See, if you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching this video.